Alright, so today we're going to be solving a problem that includes information from the lecture in which we learned position, velocity, and acceleration. So I chose a problem from physicsclassroom.com that states, in the qualifying round of a 50-yard freestyle in the sectional swimming championship, Dugan got an early lead by finishing the first 25 yards in 10.01 seconds. Dugan then finished the return leg of 25-yard distance in 10.22 seconds. So from this problem, we were able to find three things that we can solve. Number one was what was Dugan's average speed for the entire race. Number two being what was Dugan's average speed for the first 25-yard leg of the race. And number three, what was Dugan's average velocity for the entire race. Down below, I just kind of wrote down a couple key formulas to remember. Two of them being the velocity average formulas, and then the third one being the acceleration formula. So we first start with problem one, which stated what was Dugan's average speed for the entire race. As you can see right here, we took the 50 yards, which was the total distance from both legs of the race, and we took the seconds in which he completed leg one and leg two, and we were going to add those two times from his first leg of the race and his second leg of the race, and then divide by 50, which gives us an answer of 2.472 yards per second for question one, which stated what was Dugan's average speed for the entire race. Problem two states what was Dugan's average speed for the first 25-yard leg of the race. This problem was kind of very simple because in order to solve it, we know that at the first 25-yard leg race, Dugan finished in 10.01 seconds. Therefore, we can take the 25 yards from the first leg and divide it by the total time that it took him to complete it, and we get an answer of 2.498 yards per second. Question three is a little tricky because we have to know the difference between our velocity constant and our acceleration constant. Therefore, we use what is known as the displacement formula, and we can figure out that Dugan's average velocity for the entire race was 0 yards per second. So therefore, from the three things that we learned, we were able to find his average speed for the entire race, what was Dugan's average speed for the first 25 yards legs of the race, and what Dugan's average velocity was. And therefore, then again, our answers for number one, we got 2.472 yards per second for his average speeds for the entire race. For question two, we got 2.498 yards per second for the first 25-yard legs of the race. And for question three, what his average velocity was, we get 0 yards per second. So those are our three things in which we solved. And if there's any questions or any feedback, please let me know.